Earlier, we talked about how to use a component to complete the analysis. However, the real business in the enterprise is more complex. It may be rather thin to use one or a few components. Then we can use the interactive analysis of FineBI to uncover important information. Let's start with a review. In the previous component, we noticed that the gross profit growth rate in August was negative. This figure may be problematic. Here we can use interactive drilling method to locate the problem. Here we introduce a concept of gross profit rate. It's very simple, that is, divide the gross profit by the sales. This indicator is more commonly used in real business. It is also easier to detect if there is a problem in the business. Let's go back to FineBI. On the top left of the dashboard, you can also add components by clicking on the plus sign. Select the table we want to analyze. Click OK to enter the component editing interface. There is a small plus sign in the fields area on the left. Click on it to add calculated fields. We change the name of the calculation field to gross profit rate. And manually enter sum in the text input box. This will associate a function, SumAGG. Press Enter to select this function. Then we select gross profit margin from the value fields on the left. We notice that there are 4 operations on the upper side of the text input box. Click on Dimension. Then select the cells in the same way. Then our function is ready. This SumAGG function is a kind of aggregation function, which means that no matter what dimension we group according to, this field can be summed and calculated according to the current analysis dimension. We won't go into details here. It should be noted that these numeric fields on the left are added manually rather than typing. It won't have analysis effect until it turns blue. Now the fields are ready. Next, we can create a drill directory. For example, achieve the effect of drilling layer by layer according to provinces and cities. Then the drill directory is easy to implement. Drag the city and the province. This will automatically create a drill directory. Actually, we can also put store name and product name under the drill directory. So now the drill directory is ready. Then we can proceed to create the drill analysis table. First, we drag the drill directory to the dimensions. Then drag the gross profit rate we want to analyze to the indicators. We can also add other indicators. We can select View All Data to do analysis directly in the chart preview area. First, we can select the inverted triangle on the right side of the gross profit rate header in the preview area to keep the gross profit rate in the order from small to large. And then let's move the mouse over the dimension of provinces. We can see that there is an arrow for drilling. Then we point down the arrow to see who has the lowest gross profit rate. After that, we name the component Gross Margin Analysis. Click OK. Then go back to the dashboard.